Hello everyone and welcome to the Practical English brand. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you much and many. What they are according to grammar and how they function in sentences. So stay with me and let's begin with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is very kind and merciful. So the very first thing I want to teach you is the pronunciation of this word, because I've heard a lot of students saying money. I have money brothers, I have money books, I have money pens, okay? There's a difference between many and money, okay? So it's currency, okay? How much money do you have? Do you have enough money in your pocket, okay? Money, something that you buy something with it, okay, the currency, okay? The pieces of paper, okay? That you go to a store and you buy, okay, something. So you spend what? You spend money, okay? But many, okay? I have many brothers, many, not money, okay? I have many books, I have many students. I have, for example, many pens, I have many, okay? So money and many. The first thing is the pronunciation of this word. According to grammar, they function as adjectives of quantity. As adjectives of quantity. So now even grammarians have further divided them into different types of adjectives. Many could be called adjective of number, okay? And much could be called adjective of quantity. You see that? You see that? Okay, so after the word many, you should use a countable, plural noun. A countable plural noun. But after much, uncountable nouns, okay? We use countable plural nouns after many, and we use uncountable nouns after much. Look at these examples. He has many brothers. So here we cannot say he has much brothers. He has many brothers. So here the word many is followed by a plural countable noun. What kind of noun? Plural countable noun. And now it functions as an adjective according to grammar. Why? Because it describes the noun brothers. Okay, so therefore, okay, how many brothers? He has many brothers. Okay, it's kind of indefinite adjective of quantity. I mean, you don't know about the specific number of this noun, okay? Many brothers, many could be 10, 15, 20, okay? 12, huh? Okay. So, look at the second example. She has much information about this topic. So, the word much is followed by information. And information is not a countable noun. It is uncountable noun, okay? So she has much information about this topic. There is much water in Kabul River this year, okay? Or for example, he has much knowledge about science and technology or something like that, okay? So much should be followed by uncountable nouns, such as water, oil, milk, meat, bread, okay? All of these are uncountable nouns. I don't have much time, so there are some nouns which have double functions, okay? Like much, I mean time over here. You can use time as a countable noun and you can use it as an uncountable noun. I just wanted to give you this information, okay? So don't be confused. If you see a noun that is followed by, much, that comes after much, and then you see the same noun, okay, in a different form, like with is, like times over here, and there's many, so don't be confused, okay, because there's some nouns in English language which have double functions, okay? So here in this sentence, I don't have much time. Time is used as uncountable noun. It is used as uncountable noun. But here, I've been to India many times. The same word, the same noun is used as a countable noun. Okay, so now, I mean, in general, it's just the time, which is uncountable, okay? It is considered to be an uncountable noun. But I've been to India many times, So it means like in different times. Once I went to India in 2005, then I went to India in 2007, then I went to India in 2010. So I talk about those different times, okay? So the same noun can function as uncountable noun. In this case, it should be followed by much. And it can function as a countable noun. In this case, it should be followed by many. Understood? Okay, is everything clear? Okay, so what are these words many and much according to grammar? They are adjectives of quantity in general. But then you can further divide them into two different types, okay? So adjective of number and adjective of quantity, okay? So many should be followed by what kind of nouns? Countable nouns. Much should be followed by uncountable nouns. Can you give me some examples now? Yes, yep.
I have not much money in my pocket.
I don't have much money in my pocket today. I don't have much money. So now you may be surprised. Look, money is countable. We can count it, right? But in English language, it is considered as uncountable now. Why? Because I can just give you a very simple example. Let's say there's 1,000 Fs in your pocket, okay? And I'm asking you, how much money do you have in your pocket, okay? You can't go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can't just count. I mean, okay, as a whole, you say 1,000 Fs. I have 1,000. So therefore, we use much with money, not many money, okay? We don't say I have many money, okay? You got it? Okay. For you can say many coins, okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So, yeah, examples? Qari said.
I have many books in my bookcase.
Yeah, I have many books in my bag or my, yeah.
He has many wild animals.
Yeah, he has many wild animals, not pets. Okay, it's just an example, okay, so. Yep. Come on, Shahram.
I have studied many books.
I have studied many books. Yep.
There are many books on the table.
There are many books on the table.
Mr. Sharon has much information about the exercise.
Yeah, Mr. Shahram has much information about the exercise. Okay, that's right. Yep.
He has many books for study.
Yeah, he has many books for. So I hope you got the point. It's pretty, I mean, easy, right? It's clear, right? So now you know how to use these words correctly. And don't forget the correct pronunciation, okay? How do you pronounce it? Many, many, many books, many boys, many girls, okay? Don't say many boys, many girls, many, okay? Not money, many, okay? Yes, this much is enough. Everybody have a great time. Bye-bye.